When a new wire crosses the other one, sometimes it is needed to avoid of crossing them. This is possible in AutoCAD Electrical to insert a gap or loop between wires automatically, and also it can be done manually. In order to do that, you need to set the options. To do so, I have to choose the drawing. Here I use my own drawing. Then I'm going to right-click on my chosen drawing. As you can see, a shortcut menu will be displayed. And then to set the options, I need to select properties and also drawing properties. In the shown dialog box, I'm going to select the Styles tab here. In the wiring style area and wire cross field and in the wire drop down, there are options which help us to avoid crossing wires or just not to do that. The loop, the gap, and the solid. Each one that you use will be applied to the drawing automatically. So I'm going to select the loop one. Then I choose the OK button. Now here I want to create a gap as loop and apply it to the solid crossing wire. So I select the gap option here in the wire drop down. Then I will be prompted on the command line to just select the wire that I decide to remain solid. And for the second time, I need to select the crossing wire to insert a gap, as you see the command here. I click on it and as you see the gap has been inserted. So to finish it, you have to press escape. As the wire gaps can be created, you can also remove them. In order to do that, repeat the previous steps again. I mean that you need to change the wire style to solid one. To do so, go through your drawing. Right click on it and here properties. Then drawing properties. And finally in the style tab and wiring style area, choose the solid option. And select the OK button to exit it. Now here in the Edit Wires, Wire Numbers drop down, select the Delete Wire Gap. In the command line, you will be requested to select the objects. Therefore, you need to choose wires that you want to be connected. And finally, press Enter to do that. Here the gap has been deleted.